Hi, good evening all. Welcome to Stock Market Institute. We are experimenting with few things. Today is one of the experimentation that we are doing. Do give us a feedback. The markets were negative today. Sensex went down by 870.73 points and Nifty went down by 265.35 points. This was mainly led because of the banks, automobiles as well as the metal stocks dragging down the markets. Apart from this, the day's news is Barbecue Nation IPO, whose day one was today, had got subscribed by 81%, out of which the retail portion has been booked by 4.43 times. It's a good response, but however, let's wait and see how it would fare in days ahead. Apart from this, Elon Musk says now you can buy a Tesla car using a Bitcoin. So with this, probably all the other automobiles companies may come out with this particular approach, telling that anybody with a Bitcoin can purchase the cars. That's a good thing, but let's wait and watch. It's too early, and Indian government not making the cryptocurrency is legal may be a bit of hindrance in India at least. India finally achieves the magical number of 5 crore vaccinations being administered to the public, out of which most of them would be the health workers as well as the senior members above 60 age. Actor Amir Khan also tests positive for the COVID. So no matter how careful you are, you may still get affected. So it's better to be more careful than to be careless. Anupam Rasayan stocks, which actually debuted in the market today, did not get that great opening. It opened at around 520, though the issuer price was 555 rupees. At ending, when it closed at around 526.80 paise, and it is down by 5%. This is not that great one, but however, let's wait and see the others which are getting listed in the further days. Come April 1st, Maruti, Nissan and even Hero MotoCorp are planning to raise the prices of their vehicles. So if anybody is interested to buy it, you can as well buy it this week. So you have one more week's time to pick up the bikes as well as the cars. The top gainer for the day is Cipla, which went up by almost 2.17%, and the same closed around 792 rupees 95 paise. The loser for the day was Tata Steel, which went down by 5.17%, and the same closed around 702 rupee 80 paise. Gold right now is trading around 44,760, and the same is up by 114 rupees for every 10 grams. Silver right now trading at around 65,410, and the same is up by 438 rupees. So both gold and silver have gone up, and stock market has come down. There is always a cyclical relationship with both of them. At the same time, USD has also gone up. It has gone up by 29 paise, but for Indians it is a bad thing, so I have mentioned it in red. So this is how it is. Apart from this, there is a good news. Government of India finally has opened its eyes, and they have reduced the price of petrol as well as diesel. Petrol, they have reduced it by 18 paise, and diesel they have reduced it by 16 paise. Experts say that there is furthermore room for them to cut the prices, which may be approximately around 2 rupees or 3 rupees for every 1 liter of petrol and diesel. However, the technical charts say that market does not have the enough strength. So tomorrow also the market may go down. So it's time for you to pick up the value stocks, which may be banking, IT as well as the FMCG stocks. With this, we come to end of today's market wrap up. Do like, share, and yes, tell us the comment how you felt this video is, based upon which we can change or make things better. Thank you. Have a great day.